We are at Foster Botanical Gardens and we are gonna go smell the corpse plant. You think it's gonna smell good or bad?
Bad.
Horrible? I think so. This is Foster Garden. Botanic Gardens. It's in downtown Honolulu. Right in the city, you can find some nice peacefulness. See, there's the city traffic. Here's the nice peacefulness. So, can you already smell the flower? We're sneaking up on it. Now you smell it? So Cora, what does it smell like?
Smell this one.
Oh, smell the other one.
No, I already smelled that one.
What does it smell like?
It smells so good.
It smells good?
Yeah.
Those are ballast stones from ships. It helps the ship not tip over. Do you see the two butterflies? We found two monarch butterflies in the butterfly garden. Now it's raining leaves on us. So we're trying to find all of the butterflies in the butterfly garden. There's a white one over there. So this is the silk cotton tree. And you can see they're just floating like bubbles away. And, hold on. Can you do it again? Wow. That didn't go anywhere. So, Breadfruit Tree. You have this at your school? And it has breadfruits beginning right here. Yum. Every time he gets in focus, he runs away. Where'd he go?
He's on the other side.
What side?
This side.
Oh, there he goes.
He's on this side.
There he goes. He keeps going higher and higher. There he goes, there he goes. Got him. Is this place fun or what? Green grass to run around in. $3 local admission. Kids 5 and under are free.
I know.
Can't beat that. So the caution tape is about, what's it about, Cora? It's about these. They look like bowling balls and they fall out of this strange flower tree. Where are they? Oh, there we go. Bunch of bowling balls hanging on a tree. Interesting. Why? Okay, so maybe it's dangerous. You see it's called the cannonball tree. So it might be just dropping cannonballs on us. There you are. There's not a lot of good clean hills to roll down in Honolulu. So this is our first time. This is learning how to roll down a hill. It's our starter hill. Maybe this is the best part of the Botanic Garden. Pineapple. First time I saw it, I was shocked. I was not expecting pineapple to look like that when they're growing. Cora, were you expecting the pineapple to look like that? Okay. So it wasn't the stinkiest thing ever, but it did smell a little bit like old fish. So kind of gross. We had a lot of fun running around at the garden. It's not too busy. Now we were tired. To the gift shop.